Hello, guys. Welcome to Talker Voice. My name is Opambo, founder of Talker Voice. Here we talk about ways to migrate legally through education. I always say that education is the easiest way for you to migrate abroad. I've walked the same path as you. I've made mistakes. I've learned my lessons, and I've helped number of people, couple of people through this journey. So if you want someone to show you or to give you an expert advice, I'm here to help. So this channel we digest, we break down how you can successfully migrate to study abroad, whether USA, Canada, or any European country. This is your go-to channel to give you all the necessary information you need to succeed. I come to your homes, I come to your places today or tonight to share with you how you can prepare yourself to take this opportunity to transform your life. So that is basically what I just want to talk to you guys about. There will be more insight on this channel. So don't forget to like this channel, this video, subscribe, and just turn off the bell notification so anytime I upload, you get first-hand information. So before you start any journey, this particular one, traveling abroad, you need to have a purpose. And the purpose is simply know your why. Because knowing your why is as important as even making your first step. Because without a why, negativity can be draining you. Some people are very pessimistic. They will tell you, don't come to abroad, it's difficult. I'm a living testimony. I've been here and I know what I'm saying. It's not. It's about your perspectiveness. It's about how you're being wired to receive such information. So know your why. Somebody will ask, what was my why? My why was to get advanced degree to change the discourse of my life and my family for the better. That was my why. So this propelled me. I was faced with pessimist people. Oh, you don't have money, you cannot do it. USA, oh, it's expensive, you cannot. But here I am. So that dream of yours, wanting to stay abroad, it's not a fluke. It's a possibility, and I know through this channel you can make it a reality. So know your why. Ask yourself, why do I stand for? Why do I even live? What motivates me to wake up every morning to go and work, to go and study, whatever? That why is important. Knowing that why will help you get started on this journey. So there is this quote I always like to say that where there's no vision, people perish. Proverbs 29:18. So vision is very important. It sets you on that right path to know what you want. Okay, so the next thing I'll talk about is documentation. So there's this story told of a guy who was a soccer player. So I'll name this guy A. This guy was from some part of Ghana, southern part of, and then he was the most talented among his team members, but he wasn't prepared enough. So there was a scout that came to watch them play. So this guy A was selected, and they selected guy B. Now guy A is the most talented. He got selected, and then the guy said, "We want your passport." The scout, the guy wasn't prepared. He didn't have passport. So the deal was very fast. So they had to take the second guy who was just a second fiddle to him. So guy B got a chance because he had his passport ready. So it goes to say that when preparation meets opportunity, success is born. So I'm giving you the opportunity now, showing you what to do to make this journey seamless. But are you ready enough? Do you have the right documentation? Do you have your passport? If you don't have your passport, I entreat you to apply for one tonight or even tomorrow morning. Just apply. Make that first step. And then your transcript, get them ready. Get them ready. Now, because of COVID, most schools don't even need GRE scores. But if you have the means to write, fine. But if you come on my page, I'll not even encourage you to write and waste money on that. There's so many ways around that you can apply to school Sudan needing GRE or TOEFL or IELTS. There's so many ways you can do that. So note that. So in all this documentation, I like to talk about personal statement. This personal statement, some other people call it statement of purpose. It is your purpose as a person in life. What do you stand for? What do you want to achieve in life? That's all this thing is about. So there's this story told of a guy too. He was from Nigeria, but he was born in the US, but the parents were immigrants from Nigeria who came to the US to survive. So the guy put himself in his personal statement, and out of that, he got like five admissions into the Ivy League schools, Harvard, the Dukes, because he put himself in a story. So the personal statements will define you, your struggles, your wins, your strategies to face challenges. Let them show, pour them out, because you're all you need as our fingerprints. So these are some of the documents you might need to get prepared for. As you are there now, social media, AI is taking over. So ask yourself, what are you doing to stay abreast with current trends? You are preparing to come, but there are essential skills. During COVID, I used to work offshore, and nurses and other people were told to work because their job were essential. My job was also essential, so I had to stay. So think in that manner that whatever you're doing should be essential. Essential. Now AI is an ascendancy. People have been falling against how to code. But I mean, if you know coding and you're using AI, it supplements your work. It's complementing, right? Now, how to become even a better prompt engineer? Learn how to do prompting. These are all some skills. Digital marketing. Just learn them even 1 hour a day, even 30 minutes a day. It's progress. Because I believe that slow motion is better than no motion. So that is very important for you. So get that skill done, and it's going to help you a lot. So you'll be thinking, so where do I apply to? Which country? Is it Germany? Is it USA? Is it Canada? Now, I'll say this. Know your personality. People have affinity to countries. For me, my affinity was towards USA, right from infancy. I love the country. So how probably somebody, one of my friends in Finland, he loves Finland. I never knew why, but he's there. So your affinity towards the country can also influence your decision, whether to choose it. But also the financial aspect. I initially said education is the easiest route for us to come to abroad, right? But some are very expensive, like Germany. If you get admission, you need to really make some deposit, open a bank account there, make some block account like 12,000 euros, which is like $15,000. You make that deposit before you get your visa. And UK too, you make some tuition deposit. But US generally don't do those payments. Sometimes you do, but there are some schools in the US that don't need to, and some Canada schools too. So it depends on how you want to go about this. I'll attach my WhatsApp page and Telegram pages under the YouTube link so they can just join and then immerse yourself, and then you can get talking and get started and then help you, guide you through this journey successfully. So there are that scholarship, DAAD scholarship in Germany. You can Google or even ChatGPT one prompt will spell everything out for you. Scholarships in Canada, scholarship in USA. So join the YouTube WhatsApp page and we digest more for you to understand what to do. Mostly what you studied in school, your background determines which school you should apply to. You have all this information available. That if I'm an engineer, which schools do I tend to get scholarship if I come to study in the US? So these are things you can think about. Even the Commonwealth scholarships, you can look into them. I'll just sign on by saying that join the community. People have already walked the path. So you're not an exception. Because I believe that in this 21st century, information is the new currency. Elon Musk is the richest person alive today. Why? Because he knows the secret sauce to making Tesla. He knows the secret sauce to making spaceships. I don't. So the information you have today will give you the next currency tomorrow. So just avail yourself to learning. So I love this Chinese adage that when one is ready to learn, the teacher will appear. So join the community, immerse yourself, and success will be waiting for you. Thank you for watching me today. I'll come your way next week with another video. Don't forget to like my page, subscribe if you're not, and let's keep learning and growing and then making our travel abroad seamless. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys. The name is Opambo. Thank you.